Alright guys, so I just got off a phone call now and I got some great news. We have another project that we need to take on, and this is going to be a quick one because we need to get it done very soon before the client needs to leave for holiday. So what I want to do is I want to redo 2 full bathrooms in their house. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the one now before they leave and the one after when they return. So I think what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to make this a series on its own and I'll show you the full renovation. So you'll see before, during and after of the bathroom. So then you guys can get a better understanding of what we do as well with our renovations and those kind of things. So guys, stay tuned for this one. This is going to be a good one. Very exciting. I can time travel. And just like that, iemand lekker in pas. Maar nog steeds is het een beetje te vet, zo even lekker in.
So nou, gewoon was.
Hij zoekt net zo'n beetje
Liefde.
beetje liefde. Oh, mooi gevrij weer. Now at the one place that we need to buy the products from, the tiles and some of the sanitary ware. So I'm very excited to see what they have for me. We're gonna make it very interesting with some nice color, grout and all of that. Now I'm just trying to find the place that I need to be. Can't seem to find it. But once I arrive, I will show you guys what the options are. Let's see. So julle dink dis fine, né?
Ja.
En die ander ene is daai regs onder. Ja, ek dink definitief daai een. As hy vandag bestel, wanneer kom dit?
Volgende week.
Min of meer wanneer?
Maandag, hoe lang of hoe square dit is. As dit 12 squares is, dan kan ek dit maandag deurbring.
Ek en sy was nog laat hier gisteraand besig gewees.
Ek het gehoor julle was redelik aan die gang hier gewees.
Ja, nee.
Alright, so I'm very happy with the progress on the bathroom. I think it's going really well. All the sanitary ware, everything has been taken out pretty much by now. But then we still have the floor. Currently there's old terracotta tiles on the floor and that needs to be taken out because we're going to put complete new tiles in the bathroom. It's going to be a completely different design as well. So that's going to be a mission. It's really solid, very hard. So I think we're going to need a breaker to do that. The only problem is it's very noisy to use a breaker in-house, especially while the client is still living in the house during the day. So I never like doing that, but that's obviously the only option that we have. Alright guys, let me show you a bit more. Nee, ons het trok het optel.
Dan zit het in de minste.
De minste 100
nog
zak.
meer moet zak is 100. Ja.
Ja.
Even nog meer.
Daar was 150 weer van het op van dis mense onder dat reining aanpas.
Ja.
Ons gaan baie met sak
Ons
hoor.
gaan die paadjie hier waar die pyp gaan zak skoon maak.
Ja.
En dan moet ons net ons gaan net hierdie ander pyp wat daar is, obviously seker die wegloop neem ek aan vir hom gaan ons ook moet sy angle verander en dan die ander een by hom inkom. My enigste probleem is net daai toiletpyp wat daar sit gaan ek in die pad wees.
Tell me what you need, 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 tell me what you need.
Nou kan ons letterlik hierdie hele ding afval. Dit kan al die pad afkom tot daar. Ja. Ons niks hier so af te sny of enigheid so. Nice. Ja, so twee nuwe reducers op die bestaande pyp, met nuwe pyp wat ophard met die kraan toe, en dan kan jy net ons seker maak oor die return feed vir die shower kop en vir die hand shower. En dan natuurlik vir die hoe die mixer gaan werk.